Happy Sunday, everyone, and welcome to the beginning of week 8 for Writing 111. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. It feels like spring is here, and I know you're excited to work on your rhetorical analysis readings for this week. So I've included a chapter for you to read and also a handout that is one of the most important texts, I think, for understanding how to reference and source information. This is a handout I continue to use even through my graduate education. Keep it, hold on to it, and use it. We'll talk about it more in class on Tuesday. So we're following the same cycle we did for the last paper, and you'll engage in the small group workshop. So you can see that I've included directions here as well as a paper for each of your groups to work on. And then this week you're also going to read an article related to your paper topic and submit a summary and a full citation to me. Next week is spring break, and I'm really excited to see you all in class tomorrow. Have a great day.